Hi everybody, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Welcome back to the channel and another video. And yeah, as you can see today, I'm in the middle of a barley field, which is really nice. And the farmer's kindly cut out a nice footpath for us, which is nice and clean and wide, so you've got plenty of room. And yeah, it's been good. Yeah, I mean, the first composition is kind of, I'll say it is an S-bend, where the tractors have left their mark, but it kind of veers off to the right and then it kind of disappears and then it comes back out again to the left a bit further up the field. So that's quite a nice shot. But it's kind of waiting for the light really, 'cause there's lots of cloud around today, so which obviously makes the image a bit more interesting if you've got some cloud and the like around. And yeah, so obviously when the cloud comes over the sun, you get the light, and then it goes back over, you get the shadows. So there's a bit of everything really today. And yeah, so I probably won't actually venture that far from where I am now, because I'm going to try some close-up stuff. And the colours, I don't think it's fully ripe yet, but there are a lot of golden colours, but there's also some which are kind of almost like a red wine colour. So I don't know whether it's just because they haven't ripened off properly, I don't know, but they look quite interesting. I might try and capture some of those. So yeah, a bit of everything really, a bit of landscape, maybe a bit of close-up, maybe some abstracty stuff if I can pull that off. But really it's just about having fun, getting out of the camera, out in the fresh air. It's a lovely day. We had a nice downpour this morning, so that's freshened everything up. And yeah, it's all good fun. So anyways, with that, I'm going to say I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe give me a thumbs up. That'd be really nice. And if you want to watch more of my videos, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. That'd be great. And yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you've been up to this week, whether you've managed to get out with your camera. Maybe like me, you can't get out sunrise or sunset or that kind of thing. And you can only get out when you can. Like now it's about 1:30. It's a really bright day, but it don't stop you having fun with your camera, does it? It's just trying to find things that will make good photographs, I think. Yeah, so with that I'll say, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.